Oh dear, what is this person trying to do here?
Right on 82nd Avenue Northwest.
Way to just run the red light there, ETS.
In 200 meters.
Really? You slowed me down to 60. Unfucking believable. Oh, that's double solid.
When you lose something you can't replace.
Or if they had a weapon. The extra kicker is that my dogs were cuddling with him.
This is the Rachel Day Show. Join the conversation.
Yep, just make an illegal U-turn.
Truck's your baby, and you need to take your vehicle to the mechanics. Is that also counted as like you need to take some emotional time off for your vehicle?
See, I think you bring up a good...
A nice signal from you too. Jesus Christ.
Nothing is sadder than regretting the largest transaction of your life. Use the expert advice of a realtor. Visit realtor.ca/no regrets.
Realtors Association of Edmonton. Moving life forward.
82 Avenue Northwest. You've arrived at your destination.
Rates for rates as low as 0.4%. Plus, we'll reward you with delivery credits of up to $4,500. On select Lexus models, some conditions apply.
Is that somebody trying to reverse there? Holy shit, I hope you're not in their way. Oh dear, what is this person trying to do here? He's trying to get back into the flow of traffic. Yeah, good luck with that, pal. Oh, nice signal. Wow. This guy's blocking the intersection.
Attempting to fix this.
Your position. 493669. Thanks for staying on the hold. What has your pet brought you?
I have 4 dogs, 2 of which are huskies. Connie, my oldest.
You were laughing, I was crying. We were dancing, we were dying. Sometimes I don't know how.
And now we got intersection blockers.
If I'm honest, what I like.
We're gonna be here a while.
Every morning.
We're never gonna get to go, are we?
My son playing with this little silicone cup that kind of looked like a tulip. And I asked him, so what does that?
You're gonna run the stop sign back there. I just know it. Yep.
Helped Paw Patrol save the town. Tim, so what does that?
You're gonna run the stop sign back there. I just know it. Yep.
Helped Paw Patrol save the town. It was a treasure chest holding the...
On now, you, the Now family.
I just love the fact that there is a random amount of music. So funny.
1023. 1023. Now Radio.
I was there before you were, sir. Sticking out a little bit. Nice planning ahead, Elantra.
In 900 meters, turn right on Wagner Road Northwest.
Oh, I'm not sure what happened, but that's funny.
1.5% off lease and finance rates for rates as low as 0.4%. Plus, we'll reward you with delivery credits of up to $4,500. On select Lexus models, some conditions apply. The Lexus...
Turn right, then turn left.
What are you doing?
But a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind.
1.5 kilometers. Turn left to West Whitebud Drive.
Now radio.
Now radio.
A division of the Jim Pattison Broadcast Group.
You know the
Why are you walking on the road and not on the sidewalk? You guys are not also not using the
Turn
sidewalk.
right on 99th Street Northwest.
Yeah, you better move, idiots.
What's your story here about sleep eating?
I used to really be bad for waking up and trying to figure out where the hell all of my peanut butter was going. Because it was just my
During our Book Now, Beach Later promo,
There's
if
a
you
party
book
going on in that
a
truck.
package by September 30th, you could get up to $400 back per couple if the price drops at a...
You've arrived at your destination.
Oh snap, what happened? I was confused. I'm like, why is that person just going onto the wrong side of the road? What is happening in this city tonight?
In 300 meters, turn left.
As a flight attendant, we're all about doing things early too. During our Book Now, Beach Later promo, if you book an all-inclusive winter package by September 30th, you could get up to $400
Verb, I'm
back
an idiot.
per couple if the price drops